Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Aptitude Tutorials. Today in this video, we are going to solve a question on word coding concept of coding and decoding topic. So first try to understand what is word coding and what is this coding and decoding topic. Okay. Coding and decoding means they will be giving a code word and we have to decode the given code and we need to find out the answer. Okay. So they will be giving word in the question and that word will be converted into a code which is nothing but the answer they have given. You need to find out the logic or the connection between these two. Okay, whatever is the question word they have given for the question word, how they have coded the answer or the logic, how they have coded, you need to figure it out. Accordingly, you need to follow up the same for whatever the question they ask here, and you need to find out the code word or the logic connection of the same pattern for the given question. Okay. So as the concept is word coding, in this coding and decoding concept, we have several methods like alphabet coding, number coding, symbol coding, word coding. So in this video, we are going to learn about word coding. Color is called pens, means if your answer is color for the question they're asking here, if your answer is color, you have to code it as pen. If your answer is pen, you have to code it as pencil. If your answer is pencil, code it as chair. If your answer is chair, then code it as wheel. Okay. Where man sits, out of the given words, color, pen, pencil, and chair and wheel, where man sits on chair. Your answer is chair. If your answer is chair, you need to code it as wheel. Okay. So answer for this question is wheel. Simply, you have to code for whatever the answer that you got. Where man sits in the given 5 words, man sits on chair. But this is word coding. If you got chair as the answer, you have to write it as wheel. That's how wheel is the answer for the question. And you can't code it in the reverse manner. Like if you got pen as the answer, you can't code it as color. It is not vice versa. Okay. If you got color as the answer, then you have to code it as pen. If you got pen as the answer, then you have to code it as pencil. It is not the reverse manner of coding. You have to check which word is coded as which word. Okay. And make sure whatever is the answer for the question that you got, that answer need to be coded for the respective word given in the question. My answer is chair, as where man sits means my answer is chair. Chair is coded as wheel. That's it. And also one more important point, you should not code it till the end of the question. Here, actually, chair is the last word they have given and chair is called as wheel. So directly we can say that if you chair is your answer, then you have to code it as a wheel. Let's say if you got the answer as pencil. If you got the answer as pencil, then pencil will be coded as chair. And you need to stop the coding process there itself. If your answer is pencil, then you have to code it as chair and you need to stop the coding process here itself. You can't code further saying that chair is wheel. Okay. You can't continue coding till the end of the question. So in the chain, if so many words are there also, you need to stop the coding. You just need to code for the answer, whatever that you got for this given question. You should not code it till the end of the question. Simply look at the question given in the main question and code for the question. Whatever is the word that you got, just code for the word and close the process there. This is the concept of word coding in coding and decoding.